Hello and welcome to the demo for the bonus page builder. Now in this short video, I'm going to show you some of the features of the bonus page builder. Now this is a huge app that will help you create amazing affiliate campaigns. I'm only going to touch on some of the features that are included. So please note, this is not a fully functioning demo. It's going to show you every bit because this is a huge app. So first we're going to look at pages. With pages, you can create your own pages from scratch, or we have templates built in. So for example, if we wanted to use a template, and let's say we wanted to create a template for TopMate. Now if we wanted to promote TopMate, we can just drop that template in and then we can create our TopMate bonus page. And if we wanted to add bonuses here, the bonus library is built in. So all we need to do to add bonuses in is click here where it says bonus. Then we come down, select the bonus and choose a bonus to fit TopMate. So we can go to different categories. We can look at all different types of bonus types. But let's say we wanted to add in brand builder. Select that and add that in. Now once you add in your bonus, the bonus delivery is automatically created. So it automatically creates a delivery for brand builder. And you can add as many bonuses in as you want. So let's add this one in. So you can see it adds the bonuses in here. Now any part of the template we can automatically clone if we want to. So let's say we want to clone that and drop that call to action there, we can. Now any part of templates are editable, so you can drag anything you want in here, change it around. You know, if you wanted to promote something else with this, you could change around the images and the text. But you can also create a page from scratch. So if you want to open a blank page, just create new page. We'll just call this Demo 1 and we'll call the delivery name Demo 1. Now with the drag and drop page, you have full customization here. You can drag in different sections. So for example, if you wanted this to be your heading, make this a little bit bigger. Gains of color on it. Now at any time, any text that you drag in here, let's say you create an AI project, you start dragging the text in, you can automatically spin this text and change it around. So just click this little button here and it will spin and rewrite the text. Now we have lots of different features in this content bar here. For example, we can drag videos in, we can drag images in, we can upload images from the image library. We have a full CDN with all the images that you save in here, so you can drag those in as well. We also have font awesome icons included. We've got this here, which is it's called our magic snippet. So what we're going to be doing there is adding snippets in that you're going to use all the time in your bonus pages. So this could be something like footers, headers, you know, different sections. You can just drag those in by clicking here and you could add them in just by dropping them in like that. And you've got the normal editor here. So this is your content block. Now you can also add in images. You can add in videos, you can add in your call to action. So to add in your call to action, just click CTA. You can fully edit this as well. So let's change the text a little bit and the border. So claim my bonus. See, that's changed now. We don't need to add a link in here because when you first set up your page, you automatically add your affiliate link here, and your affiliate link is then set on every section of the page that you want. Obviously a call to action on. Let's make that one a little bit bigger. And then also with the page, you can drag the page around, you can move it around. So all aspects of the page as well. So really easy to use, really easy to set. Now also we have bonuses. So when we come over to bonuses, you can add bonuses into your library. So your library can build with you. So as you're building more bonuses, so let's say you've got some old PLR on your hard drive that you're not using, create a bonus with it, include it on your library, and you can add that at any time. So to create a new bonus, just click new bonus, you add in the bonus block here and the delivery block here. So when you're ever creating pages, your delivery is automatically created as well. And we have a ton of AI tools in here as well. And these are to help you create amazing affiliate campaigns. So let's go to new project now. Here on this tool, we can start to create our affiliate offers. So let's go over to the moonshine. Let's grab a link. Let's see if this has a sales page link on sales page preview. Copy that. Go back over to the bonus page builder, put the URL in here, just call this. I think it's UGC, the name of the product. It's great URL, so it's scraping the content from the sales page. So this is all the information from the sales page. So you can then start to create your campaign. So we'll lock that in. So now the AI is generating the content for the different sections of your affiliate campaign. It's now creating the affiliate campaign. Okay, so it creates a full summary for the affiliate offer. As you can see, full summary is here now. We'll also create an email sequence, a bonus page brief. So the bonus page brief, it'll give you things like headlines, subheadlines, text. So the bonus page, bonus ideas, YouTube pack, Facebook pack, TikTok pack, Pinterest pack, Insta pack, X pack, ad pack, and campaign strategy. So let me show you the bonus. I mean, the email sequence first. Let's generate that. We will create 5 emails for the campaign. You can see here it's created 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what that's done is took the summary of the sales page and created the emails to match that summary. So let's go to bonus page brief. I'll show you what it creates here. So you can see it's giving you a sub-headline and the headline some text to add key features, benefits, and some call to actions. And this ticket has taken things like real results from real users. You can add those on there. You could use all those, and obviously then it's got your bonus ideas and all your different promotional packs there. So that's a quick look at that. Let's look at the email tool. Now the email tool, let's jump back over to this one here. We'll get the email swipes. So obviously when vendors first give you out these email swipes, they're all kind of written for you. But if you send out the same email as everyone else, you know you're not going to get into the inboxes. So you want to be able to have unique email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this subject line, go back over here, paste that in there. I am going to take the text back over here, paste that in there. Now here you can write in different styles. So you've got different email personas, from digital wordsmith, targeted messaging technician to no-nonsense storyteller. You've also got different styles as well. So I'll go with direct marketing dyno, and I'll go with brief communicator. And if you hit generate, what will happen now is the AI will rewrite the vendor email. So you're getting a unique spin on that email. So it's giving you 5 different subject lines and a different email there now. Again, we have the spam checker as well. So with the spam checker, what it will do, it will check the email for spam words and things like that. So you can see what's, not good to put in your email. So let's jump back to the main page. Now, the bonus page builder is an amazing tool for building out affiliate campaigns. So I urge you to lock this in if you want to become a successful affiliate marketer.